Okay, so an máirtá going inis agus is féidir leat na ceistena eile a dhéanamh ar dús. Okay, so the first, if you have done these yesterday, that's fine. But if you want to just finish them now, I'm just going to call out what the rest of them mean. So, iver a sé, cén fá nach acha daddy an crown. So, cén fá means why. Nach acha, why didn't he see the tree? Cada harla dun ski. Cada harla means what happened. Dun ski, what happened to the skis. Agus an rev ein dina ella le fecal. Was there anyone else to be seen? Okay, and then cad a vi cearle daddy. What was wrong with daddy? Cad a vi cearlesh. Okay, and then over de an yakik daddy ag ski all a rish. So an yakik, did daddy go skiing a rish? It's either cuig no near chuig sé. Alright? Or ní nyaki sé, tá bronar nyaki or chuig. Alright? So that's from question 6 to 10. Alright? So what you can be doing then after that, guys, is there's little scales here. So little stories. So it says cum scalini bioga agus scríb I do choplar iad. Alright. So cum scalini. So here we have, so basically cum scalini is write a little story about each picture basically. And they're giving you some words to help you. So let's look at iver hain. So Vúl, chur, agus hurling. Okay, so there are 3 verbs. Okay, so vúl is to hit, or to, like vúl and clog is to the bell rang. Okay, chur is another, is to put, and hurling is to go down, to get down or to disembark. Okay, so you know, a scale you could put there. So vi far an mus, vúl sé an clog. Chur sé a láv, hef an mus, agus hurling sé den bus. Okay, that's one thing you could do. You could say he got down from the bus. You can write your own. You don't have to necessarily use those pictures if you don't want. Okay, so iver a do, niacha, slaunig, agus hit. That's nice and easy. There's just 3 sentences per story. You don't have to do much more than that. So here you could say, for example, Ní acha far an fuist on lac the ice, agus slaunig sé go toban, he fell suddenly, or he slid suddenly, agus hit sé an talamh. Okay, so they've 2 done for you there. Okay, so have a look at the next one. Dimig is to leave, rinne and de. So see if you can put those into it. Now, if you can't fit those into it, it's not the end of the world, but give those a go. And then you could just try and do 3 sentences about the story. And then scale 4, 3 sentences. Dairig, scrúdig, agus ní rev. So dairig is to get up, scrúdig is to study or to look at, okay, examine, really, to examine. So the doctor's examining the girl here. And we'd say ní rev sé brista is what I'd say. It's not broken. Okay, ní raibh a chus brista, ní raibh a chus brista. Okay, so that's for today, guys. See how you get on, and nice short day for you in Irish this week. Okay, slán.